Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name's Alicia for those that are new here, but today I just thought I would do a quick video, kind of like a long-lasting summer springtime makeup as well as a coppery eyeshadow. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Alright, so starting off, we're going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. If you haven't tried it, it is awesome. It is very sticky when you apply, so you're supposed to wait about a minute for it to dry down. However, it is great. It makes your makeup last like all freaking day, so give it a try. Just going to do the usual color correct under the eye. Today I'm using the Bobbi Brown Serum Corrector. This is color Bisque. And because this is a long-lasting makeup video, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Power Play Foundation, mixed in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Just a Stick Foundation. For concealer, we're going in with the Tarte Shape Tape as well as mixed in with the Cover FX Power Play. Next up, we're going to go in with a little bit of the Makeup Forever foundation. This is just a dark shade. I'm just going to use it to do a bit of a bronzer, just a liquid one here. So just taking a small amount in the back of my hand. Obviously there are harsh lines, so just going in with the Beauty Blender. Just really blending everything nicely together so it does look like all complete. Alright, so next going in with some OG Laura Mercier. We're just going to take that on a big puff and just put that all over the face. We're not going to bake just yet, so don't go too heavy, just a bit, but just all over the face. To bake, we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty. I use the color Banana Bread. We're also going to use this little OG square and just get that baked under the eyes and under here. Alright, so as you can see, my face is baking. I'm just going to start doing my eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Naked Heat. There goes the brush. And just going to go in with the color Sauced. Devil. And going in with the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, mix this yellow shade, perhaps with this one kind of burnt orange above it. And we're going to pack this guy here onto the eyelid. Next, we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. Pump the face even more with an Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I'm using Rich Amber. Next, we're going in with the Amrezy highlighter. Alright, so now that we have highlight on, we're going to go in with blush. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit. Just going to mix some shades. Then just going to take some Hoola bronzer and just go under the eyelid here. Just connecting everything together. Before we go in with the eyelashes, going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So my eyelashes are on. I didn't use anything crazy. I just used the Ardell Demi Wispies with the Huda Beauty Lash Glue to put them on. Next up, I'm going to do my lipstick, so going in with this Marc Jacobs liner. It's just a super nude one. Right, and then taking this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshell. beauty dry down for a couple of seconds. So next we're going to go in with the NARS Orgasm Lip Gloss and just put that on top. Alright, and this is the final look here, so if you like what you saw, then don't forget to stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow. Also, you can check out my Instagram. It's Alicia Ruprecht. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and yeah.